Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Thursday, June 27, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a neutral reading for July with 27% of the total premiums paid, bearish readings on August and September with 55 and 12% of the total premiums paid, and the overall dollar-weighted put-call ratio is bearish also. For the charts, here we have the daily chart for SPX. Today we touched our target 1620. Today's high was 1620.07. That 50-day moving average failing here. We failed today and closing at 1630. We're going to have to see if tomorrow we get another take at that 50 and we're able to close above, or we're going to fail again. In the case we fail again, our target would be 1600. I'm watching here. We touched our target, so from now here, just looking to see where the next move is coming. Going to the Qs. Here we have the daily chart for the Qs. And as you can see here, we were basically up today also, but lagging. We did not touch that 50-day moving average. And our high was almost our target, 71.60. We talked for the day breaking that 50-day moving average and closing above it. Very nice here. I told this was going to be the leading basically indicator or index. I think we're going higher to test that 100 level on IWM, so I'm bullish here. Going to the metals. Yesterday we talked about getting neutral to bullish on GLD. We were up today in the morning and then we get a big pullback, down almost 2% on the day, as you can see here, finishing down almost at the lows of the day with heavy volume. It's hard to catch a knife falling, and this is one example. I'm looking here for maybe a bounce, but I would, as I mentioned yesterday, trade it via options. I want to have my risk defined from my first day, and if we break this 15 level, 115, I would be worried there. There's a trend line on the gold futures or a spot that it's very important. Tracing back to the 1,150, that's going to be very important to hold. SLV, here we have the daily chart for SLV. Flat today, we were almost 2% up in the morning and giving up most of its gains, all of its gains. On VIC volume here, closing near the lows of the day. And important thing here, again, I do think we're near a bottom, but it's not the best thing to try to catch bottoms. Let's go now to stocks. Apple, we've been bearish on Apple short term, looking for the 385 levels as our entry point for a long or bullish trade. We're finishing at the lows of the day, below yesterday's low, and with nice volume today here on the downside and with a strong tape. I continue to believe we're going to the 385. I don't know if we're going to close there or not, but I'm certainly getting closer to looking at my entry for the long side. We've been talking about being short Apple from 402, almost 10 points from here. So that's nice profit there, and we're still looking for a little bit lower and then switching to the upside. Now let's go to Google. We're bullish on Google. Yesterday we talked about that, and today we were up 0.4. Interesting move here. We did go higher today, and we are failing here. We took back some of the gains, and I continue to be bullish. I think we're going to 900. Netflix, bearish. Yesterday we talked about the 200 target. I continue to be bearish. I'm looking for that 200 day. The only thing that would change my mind for that bearish is that we break this 50-day or the 26. Let's call it 218 level. If we break and close above the 218 level, I would turn to bullish. But from now on, we're making a couple of lower highs, and I'm looking for the 200 level to test again.